This is the welding machine startup and operation video. The first step is to connect the power cord. The plug can be customized. Plug it in and return to the front machine. Turn the emergency stop button. Press the green button switch again. Now after the machine is powered on, then add water. Remove this tube first. Use this pumping pad. Start pumping first. Press and hold this green button. Pull out this pumping pad. Then install the foot switch. There's a gap in the foot switch. This gap is aligned with this connecting plug. Now the machine can be turned on. Hit the power button. Wait for the machine to start. The machine had been started. Adjust the current frequency after the machine is turned on. Pulse width spot. The current is the intensity of the laser's output. The frequency is the one you step on, the speed of the light. The pulse width is the depth of the shot. The spot is the size of the laser solder joint. Now we have a current of 10. 1.5 pulse width. 3.0 light spot. The first step is to find focus. The place where you can see it most clearly is the focus. Step on the pedal when you find the focus. Look at this spot. And then after the light spot is turned up, you're gonna need a little more of this current. Now it's a spot of 0.1. The minimum spot is 0.1. Max 3.0. Now it's a spot of 0.1. Make sure you hit it right on the focal point. And then there's a joystick in here. The joystick controls these parameters on the screen above. Control the parameters of the above screen by adjusting the joystick. These are the basic operations. To shut it down, you hit this button right here. And then press the green button when you're done. I want you to press this machine again. After that, you can turn off the machine. If you turn off the machine and run the water, this is the opening where the water goes out. Unplug this interface. Pull it out and let the water out.